Welcome back to my channel. Today we have some major updates from the ST team that every member needs to hear. We're talking about compensation, new member policies, trading security, and much more. So stay tuned. Latest announcement from the ST team. To ensure that the rights of every member of the ST team are fully protected, we are officially launching the following compensation and fund withdrawal plan. We urge all members to read carefully and adhere to the guidelines. Compensation Verification and Fund Withdrawal Arrangement 1. Compensation Verification. From now on, all members can verify and obtain corresponding compensation through official channels at any time. The ST team upholds a people-oriented principle, and we will never abandon any member who trusts and follows the team, ensuring that everyone's interests are not compromised. 2. Principal Withdrawal Plan. From now until June 25th. After June 25th, accounts that have verified and received compensation from the ST team can withdraw 50% of their lost principal. After August 25th, members can withdraw the remaining amount of their lost principal. After October 25th, every account can withdraw 30% of the account balance as profit after the 25th of each month. 3. New member policy. From now on, all members can restore free deposits and withdrawals without additional restrictions after completing the stipulated trading volume. 4. Bonus for referrals. Any user who has successfully verified their identity and received compensation can allow their referred new registrants to withdraw their referral bonuses directly without needing to meet any trading volume requirements. 5. Verified users who have successfully received compensation can additionally apply for a new account. Each verified individual can hold a maximum of 2 accounts, one primary and one secondary account. All accounts must strictly adhere to platform usage regulations, and the primary account holder is fully responsible for all actions and liabilities associated with both accounts. It is important to note that each new user can only register one account, and activities to exploit the system through multiple accounts are prohibited. Model adjustments and trading security. 1. Cancellation of one-click copy trading. Model to eliminate arbitrage and fraudulent behavior. The team will no longer use the one-click copy trading model from now on, and will shift to an invitation code trading mechanism. All members should closely monitor group messages to timely obtain the invitation codes, ensuring smooth trading and preventing losses due to missed information. 2. Risk control measures. This adjustment aims to protect member funds while maintaining the normal operations of the CBEX exchange and the Saint team, preventing malicious actions from harming the platform and its users. 3. Team commitment. The Saint team always places the interests of its members at the core. The design of this plan takes into consideration both the safety of funds and stability of returns, ensuring that everyone receives a fixed income each month while gradually restoring liquidity. We call on all members to actively cooperate to help maintain a healthy trading environment. If you have any questions, please contact the official customer services for verification. We appreciate everyone's support and understanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.